Do you know the benefits of using home massagers for relaxation, stress, and pain relief? Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of discovery. Today we're exploring the often underappreciated world of home massagers. These devices, small but mighty, have been a source of comfort and relief for many, and today we're going to delve into why. You might be thinking, a massager, really? Yes, indeed. These nifty gadgets are more than just a luxury item. They're a ticket to a world of relaxation and rejuvenation right in the comfort of your own home. Imagine coming home after a long day, your muscles aching, your stress levels high. Now imagine having a personal masseuse waiting for you, ready to knead away your troubles. That's what a home massager can be for you. But that's not all. Home massagers have been known to provide a range of benefits. From easing muscle pain and reducing stress to promoting relaxation, these devices pack a punch. And the best part? You don't need to book an appointment or step out of your home. It's convenience, comfort, and wellness rolled into one. Throughout this video, we will be diving deeper into these benefits. We'll explore how home massagers can be an effective tool for pain relief. We'll discuss how they can help reduce stress in our increasingly hectic lives. We'll delve into the relaxing effects of a good massage and how a home massager can help you achieve that anytime you want. So, why home massagers? Well, they're accessible, they're convenient, and they're effective. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just need a way to unwind after a hectic day, a home massager could be your answer. So, are you ready to learn more about these fantastic devices and their myriad benefits? We promise you it's going to be an enlightening journey. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of home massagers and their impressive benefits. Firstly, let's discuss how home massagers can aid in pain relief. Imagine having a personal masseuse at your disposal, ready to ease your aches and pains at the end of a long day. That's precisely what home massagers can do for you. But how do they work, you ask? Well, it's all about the science of touch and pressure. Home massagers work by applying pressure to various parts of the body. This pressure stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, helping to alleviate discomfort. The process also boosts blood circulation, which aids in the repair of damaged tissues, making it a great solution for muscle soreness and joint pain. Now, let's talk about the different types of pain that can be alleviated with the use of home massagers. From chronic conditions like arthritis and fibromyalgia to acute injuries such as sprains and strains, home massagers are versatile tools for pain management. For instance, people with arthritis often experience stiffness and swelling in their joints. Regular use of a home massager can help reduce these symptoms by improving joint mobility and flexibility. Similarly, for individuals with fibromyalgia, a condition characterized by widespread pain and fatigue, home massagers can help to reduce muscle tension and promote better sleep. But it's not just chronic conditions that can benefit. If you've ever had a sprained ankle or a strained muscle, you know how debilitating these acute injuries can be. The gentle kneading action of a home massager can provide much-needed relief by reducing inflammation and speeding up the healing process. And let's not forget about those of us who simply experience the occasional backache or neck pain from sitting at a desk all day. A quick session with a home massager can help to relax tight muscles and relieve tension, making it easier to get through the day without discomfort. So, a home massager could be a great tool for those suffering from chronic or acute pain. It's like having a personal wellness coach at your fingertips, ready to soothe away your aches and pains whenever you need it. Moving on, did you know that home massagers can also help with stress relief? This might sound like magic, but there's actually a lot of science behind it. You see, when you receive a massage, your body responds by reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. At the same time, it boosts the levels of feel-good hormones such as serotonin and dopamine. These biochemical changes result in a calming effect, making you feel more relaxed and less stressed. But how exactly does this happen? Well, the pressure applied during a massage stimulates your nervous system. This stimulation sends signals to your brain to slow down, to take a breather. It's like telling your body, hey, it's okay, you can relax now. And your body, being the obedient entity that it is, listens. This brings us to the convenience of having a home massager. Imagine coming home after a long, stressful day at work. You're tired, you're tense, and you just want to unwind. Instead of booking an appointment at a spa, which can be time-consuming and costly, you simply reach for your home massager. With a home massager, you can customize your stress relief. You control the intensity, the duration, and the specific areas you want to target. You can have a deep tissue massage one day and a gentle, soothing one the next. It's all up to you. Home massagers come in different shapes and sizes too. There are handheld massagers, chair massagers, foot massagers, and even full-body massagers. Each offers a unique way to combat stress, catering to your individual needs and preferences. Now, I'm not saying a home massager can replace a professional massage therapist, but it's an accessible, cost-effective tool that can complement your stress management strategy. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, why not give it a try? With a home massager, stress relief is at your fingertips. Another remarkable benefit of home massagers is relaxation. We all know how wonderful it feels to sink into a comfy chair at the end of a long day, right? Now imagine enhancing that experience with a soothing massage right in the comfort of your own home. Home massagers can deliver this luxury, helping us to release the tension that builds up in our muscles throughout the day. Let's delve a bit deeper into how this works. Our muscles, particularly those in our neck, shoulders, and back, often bear the brunt of our daily stress and activities. Over time, this can lead to tension and stiffness. A massage, whether from a professional or a home massager, works to knead and rub those tight spots, helping to release that tension. This not only provides immediate relief and relaxation, but it also promotes healthier muscle function in the long run. Now think about those nights when sleep seems to elude you, when you're tossing and turning, unable to find that sweet spot of comfort. It's no secret that stress and tension can greatly impact our sleep quality. But here's the good news. The relaxation brought about by a massage can significantly improve our sleep. When our body is relaxed, it's easier for us to fall asleep and stay asleep. This results in more restorative sleep, which is vital for our overall well-being. But the benefits of relaxation don't stop there. When we're relaxed, our mind follows suit. This can lead to a more positive outlook on life, enhanced mood, and even increased productivity. All of these benefits feed into each other, creating a cycle of wellness that begins with something as simple as a massage. So, the next time you're feeling tense or simply in need of a little me time, consider reaching for that home massager. It's more than just a tool for relieving sore muscles. It's a gateway to relaxation, better sleep, and an overall healthier, happier you. So, home massagers are not just for pain and stress relief, they're also great for relaxation. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We appreciate your engagement, and it helps us to continue providing valuable content. It's a simple click for you, but a huge boost for us. So, if you're gaining insight from our discussions, don't hesitate to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. Your feedback is vital, and we love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Now let's talk about something that can make a tangible difference in your journey towards relaxation, stress relief, and pain management. We have curated a selection of recommended health products that we believe can complement the benefits of home massagers. These products have been carefully chosen based on their quality, effectiveness, and user reviews. In the description box below, you'll find links to these products. We encourage you to explore them, read the reviews, and consider whether they might be a good fit for your needs. Remember, these recommendations are meant to enhance your wellness journey, not replace any medical advice or treatment you're currently receiving. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. We also want to remind you that health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Whether it's incorporating a home massager into your routine, trying a new health product, or simply taking a few minutes each day to relax and unwind, every step counts. So, as we wrap up this segment, let's revisit our call to action. If this video has been useful to you in any way, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but also creates a community where we can all learn from each other. And finally, remember this: your health is an investment, not an expense. Investing in your health today can lead to a more vibrant, energetic, and pain-free tomorrow. So take that step, make that investment, and embrace the journey towards better health and wellness. Lastly, let's look at some other benefits of home massagers that you might not be aware of. Beyond the immediate relief from stress and pain, these devices have a few more tricks up their sleeves, offering a host of other health benefits. One of these benefits is improved circulation. You see, the kneading and rolling motions of a massager can help stimulate blood flow. This increased circulation can help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and tissues more efficiently, promoting quicker recovery and overall better health. Additionally, improved circulation can help flush out toxins from your body and reduce inflammation, which can be particularly beneficial after a strenuous workout or a long day on your feet. Now let's talk about skin health. Yes, you heard it right, home massagers can also contribute to better skin health. The stimulation provided by a massager can help increase the production of collagen, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. Not to mention, it also aids in exfoliating dead skin cells, leading to a smoother and more radiant complexion. So not only do you get to relax and relieve pain, but you also get a mini beauty treatment in the process. And last but not least, home massagers can also help increase mobility. Regular use of a massager can help loosen tight muscles and improve flexibility, making it easier for you to move around and perform your daily activities. Whether it's reaching for that top shelf or bending down to tie your shoes, a more flexible body can make all the difference. To wrap things up, home massagers are more than just devices for relaxation and pain relief. They are powerful tools that can contribute to your overall well-being in more ways than one. As you can see, home massagers offer a plethora of benefits. To recap, we've discussed the many benefits of home massagers. Let's take a moment to jog our memories and look back at the key points we've covered in this enlightening journey. We started by introducing the topic, shining a light on the significant role home massagers play in our daily lives. From being a handy tool for relaxation to being a trusted companion in pain or stress relief, home massagers are a versatile addition to our wellness routines. We then delved into the realm of pain relief, where we explored how these devices work their magic. By targeting specific pressure points and working out knots in the muscles, home massagers can significantly reduce pain and discomfort, even in those stubborn areas that have been bothering you for a while. Next, we ventured into the world of stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress is an unwelcome guest in many of our lives. We discovered how home massagers can help us show stress the exit door, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility that's often hard to come by. Our journey then led us to the oasis of relaxation. We learned how these devices, in their quiet and unassuming way, can transport us to a state of deep relaxation. By easing muscle tension and promoting blood flow, they help us switch off from the world, even if it's just for a while. We also discussed our recommended health products and reminded you to check the description box for more details. Remember, it's not just about having a massager, it's about having the right one that suits your specific needs. Lastly, we touched upon other benefits of home massagers, like improving sleep quality and boosting mood. It's amazing how such a small device can make such a big difference. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.